Welcome back to It's Natural. It is Patty Marie here. Welcome, and I hope you're staying warm. We're going to be talking about the 12 best herbs to detox and cleanse your body, starting off with basil, also known as TULSI. Cleanses the body of chemicals and daily stresses. Cilantro cleanses your body of heavy metals. Cinnamon is high in antioxidants and free radical damages are decreased. Dandelion, one of my favorites that I eat almost on a daily basis, is Earth's multivitamin, has antioxidants that prevent and eats up free radicals. Dill is an enzymatic antioxidants play a huge role in the elimination of free radicals. Ginger, radiation stress on the body was reduced in a study, and this is really good in tea. Make sure you drink a lot of water when you have ginger. Milk thistle inhibits the growth of free radicals caused from toxic substances such as alcohol or any kind of substances that you put in your body. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. Nettle is high source of vitamins and phenol content is high to help kill unwanted bacteria and other toxins. Oregano, one of my favorites again, shown to reduce oxidative damage. Very good antiviral and antibacterial properties also. Parsley exhibited good natural antioxidant activity. Peppermint, or any type of plant in the mint family extract, has shown more antioxidant levels than essential oil. Turmeric or curcumin has been an effective treatment of reducing mercury in the body. Make sure you go to the link in the description for all the research. Check out this next video and make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.